Wondering why your CRV's cruise control just quit? Let's figure it out. Cruise control makes driving easier, but when it stops working, it can be frustrating. The good news? Most problems are simple to fix. First, check your brake lights. If a brake light bulb is out, your cruise control won't turn on. Next, look at the brake pedal switch. If it's faulty, the system thinks you're always braking, so it shuts off cruise. Another common reason is a blown fuse. Open your fuse box and look for the cruise control fuse. Replace it if it's burnt out. If your dashboard shows warning lights like the check engine or ABS light, cruise control will not work until those issues are fixed. A basic scan tool can help you find the trouble codes. Sometimes the problem is as simple as low battery voltage or a loose connection, especially after getting new batteries or doing electrical repairs. Remember, if these quick checks don't solve the problem, it's best to visit a trusted mechanic. They have the tools and know-how to get your Honda CR-V's cruise control working again. Don't stress. Most issues are easy to fix, and you'll be cruising again in no time.